with Tech Made Easy. Welcome to the channel. This is a channel where we focus on making things affordable, practical, and easy. And today we're going to be going and installing the driver for the GTX 1650 Super. This is a support video for one of my videos on 60 frames per second, AAA gaming at 60 frames per second or higher in high and ultra high mode for $350. A complete PC system that gets you into AAA gaming at a practical price. But today this is for the novice person that's never installed a driver before. So we're going to go to the NVIDIA website, grab the driver, and install it. So let's get started.
One of the cars we recommended in the system as a budget system is the GTX 1650, so Super. And this is just how to go to NVIDIA's website and grab the driver. So we're just going to go to NVIDIA and let's go to download drivers. Make sure that you are on NVIDIA's website. And actually, I've already been on here, but you would just choose GeForce. We're in the 16 series here, and we're looking for the 1650 Super, and we're running Windows 10 64-bit. We're just going to go ahead and do search. We're going to download the driver. Hope you have to hit download again, and this may take several minutes. Okay, once the driver is downloaded, you can either install it from your download directory, or you can copy this into whatever directory you want, a tools directory. But you're just going to hit install, and we're going to go ahead and extract this. Okay, I usually don't install the GeForce Experience. I just usually like to install the driver. That's up to you. Just hit agree here, and we're gonna go to custom. And this is really important. We're going to perform a clean install. It'll go ahead and delete your driver. Now, what I would recommend before even doing this is that I do have 4 free utilities that every gamer or content creator should have, and one of those utilities is DDU. And what that does is that deletes your graphic driver. It's better if you just delete it 100%, even if once the computer restarts, when you go to install this, just do it, because Windows will try to install your the driver. But just perform a clean install, and particularly if you're going from AMD to NVIDIA, you want to run that DDU utility. There's a link down below where you can watch on the 4 utilities, but you're just going to hit next, and then the driver's installed. I've already installed the driver, so I'm not going to go past this point. This is TG with Tech Made Easy. This is TG with Tech Made Easy. Thanks for coming to the channel. Have a great day and happy gaming.
Now that was easy peasy.